Hannah, are you helping Mommy paint? Are you being a good painter? Yeah. You put it on the wall? Oh, that was a lot. Yeah. Can you make it all flat? See, there's those drips right there. It's okay. Oh, you're doing so well. Such a good job, Hannah. Yeah. Good girl.